Hey, hello everyone. Here we're doing a little electrical work today. So we got an outside outlet here. I used to have an old porch light here, and you got a switch on the inside of the house right over here. So I'm just gonna. I built a sunroom out here. You can see it. There we go. And I want to put some lighting in it. I got some LED lights, but that's another video. But they plug into a regular plug-in, so I was going to convert this outlet into a regular plug-in. Show you guys how to do that. First of all, I got a switch inside the house, and you want to test the voltage. Make sure that it's not live. So I got this little handy dandy voltmeter thing here, and it's at 0. And the light switch, I didn't shut the breaker off, but the light switch on the inside, I put tape over it, so hopefully no one will flip the switch. I will be testing periodically though, throughout the video probably. So where did I put it? Ah, here it is. Oh, so I took the liberty of pre-bending these, and I'm going to go ahead and there's our new thing here, and it says the white wire in this side here, and then live on that side. So the white neutral live on the other side. So okay. We'll go ahead and let's see if we can move these around a little bit. Probably well, let's see. I'm going to put it in sideways because this is sideways. So, so I had it right. White will be on the bottom. Well, hopefully. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Okay, wow. Wow. Maybe that one wasn't the ground. Maybe it's another. Wow. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Hold the phone here, folks. Let's get the tester out. Tester that really tests. And that. Okay, so this. And that is nothing. What? But the ground, and that is 110? Why is that? Okay, I'm not an electrical expert, but I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be the case. Anyway, I think I might make this a test video on to be careful for other wires, and maybe shut the breaker off, maybe. Anyway, fortunately I was not hurt in that. I think we're going to make another video. So we'll be back. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's just a friendly reminder from Semi-Handy Family Man to be careful with electricity. Test all your wires, not just that and that, but make sure the ground also, which I'm not an expert on electricity, but I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to do that. Anyway, we'll be back. Thanks for watching.